Smoke, 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 smoke. Hello, this is Aarush. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to show you how to make seed milk. In this video I am extracting milk from muskmelon seeds. So I am taking a glass bowl and collecting the seeds in the glass bowl. So that I have cut 2 muskmelons. So take all the seeds from the muskmelon. Convert the seeds into the mixing jar and blend it nicely, and take a white cotton cloth and you can squeeze the milk. So here I have took 2 spoons of jaggery syrup and I have poured the seed milk, and your yummy seed milk is ready to be enjoyed. I have made this many times at home and I love drinking it. Muskmelon seeds are known for regulating blood pressure, good for eyes, good for hair and nails, strengthening of body immunity, relieves stress, keeps the heart healthy, treats acidity and constipation. And last but not the least, it keeps both the body and the mind cool. Which means you must drink this muskmelon seed milk every summer. I hope you liked the content of my video. If you really liked it, then I'm sure you know what to do. This is Aarush BS signing off.